In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Roblox Premium with a credit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can do this process through the Roblox website using a web browser as I'm doing here, or through the Roblox app. Regardless of which option you choose, sign into your account and tap the Robux icon that you can find at the top right corner of the screen. When you tap your Robux icon, you can select Buy Robux. You will be redirected to this page where you can browse through all the packages they have available and also the premium packages over here. Choose the best offer for you, and regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to pay using a credit card. So choose between these three premium options depending on how much Robux you want to receive per month, and you will be redirected to the payment type window where you can choose how you want to pay. If you want to use a credit card, it is going to be the first option available on any payment plan that you select. So choose credit card and you will be redirected to another page where you can proceed with your purchase. So as you can see, I got some errors, but I was finally redirected to this page. Now, all you have to do is follow the instructions on screen to finish paying with your card. You have to include your credit card number, the expiration date, and then the code at the back. Make sure that you agree to the terms and conditions by ticking this box and include an optional email if you want a receipt. You can check the total at the bottom, make sure that you are aware of the price and any possible fees, and as long as you have enough balance on your credit card, the purchase should go through immediately. You will receive your Robux Premium plan instantly and you can manage it at any time. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Roblox Premium with a credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.